Are you tired of typing nurse, nurses, nursing, and nursery just to find one good article? You don't have to worry anymore because there is a way to search for all of them in exactly 1 second. It's called truncation. If Boolean operators are the traffic lights of search, then truncation is the shortcut that lets you bypass the manual level of typing every single word variation. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time I upload new content, you can know. And if you've been watching my content but you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go and subscribe. So the big question is, what are truncations? What are wildcards? So truncations and wildcards are such techniques that use special symbols to represent unknown or varying characters in a word. They allow you to find multiple variations of a term with a single search string. So let's start with truncations. So the purpose of truncation is to broaden searches to find different word endings, plurals, or variations, and they can be used by placing an asterisk symbol at the end of the word. For example, if I want to retrieve information about child, children, or childhood, I could just type in child but with an asterisk symbol at the end of the word child, and I'll be able to retrieve information about all those words. Maybe if it is like I want to know about technology or technological or technologies, I could just type in technolog, put an asterisk symbol at the end, and then I'll be able to retrieve information about all that. Yeah, so that's the same thing with surg. You can get surgery, surgeon, surgical, surgeries. Let's try this practically so that you can understand it better. So we are going to use Google Scholar. And we are going to type in technolog. And you can see that it's retrieving information about technological. There is technolog, there is technology. So that is how it works. Yeah, you can even check here for more results. Something. So that is how it works. We can also try another word like search. You can also see that it's retrieving information about surgery right there. There is surgical. So that is how it works. So let's go back. Yeah. So let's look at the wildcards. So the purpose of the wildcards is that they substitute for characters within a word to catch alternative spellings, and you can use them by inserting a symbol inside a word where the letter might vary. For example, in case it is color, color can be spelled differently. Others spell it with you, others spell it without you. But if you type that in your browser, you'll be able to obtain information about color without you and then color with you. Same thing with the next word. You'll be able to obtain information about woman or women, and that's the same thing with the last word. You'll be able to obtain information about gray or gray. So let's do that practically so that you can also see it. Right here you can see that it's bringing information about gray and then gray. So that is how it works. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you've learned something in this video, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.